On the Trail Radio here, giving you a quick rundown of one of my favorite radios of all time, that being the cheap, very inexpensive UV5R. The UV5R is a highly customizable and very inexpensive ham radio, available to anybody who has the internet. Being able to find one of these generations for only about $25 and having programming software such as Chirp or even the Baofeng programming software, it's incredibly easy to program yourself, and it's a great starter radio in order to get you on your feet for ham radio. It comes with 128 different channels, and it comes with a frequency mode and a memory mode. This radio can operate on the very high frequency and ultra high frequency. So that means I have 130 megahertz all the way up to 176 megahertz, and you can have 400 megahertz to 520 megahertz. Now, if you've been paying attention, you'll notice that there are two frequencies being shown at all times. That is because this has a dual watch and monitoring system so that you can monitor two frequencies at the same time. This radio comes with FM radio installed in it, so you just have to press that call button. This radio, like any other radio, has a monitor feature, the way you can pick up any weak frequencies in your area. It has a programming cable area and a microphone area, so you can plug in a microphone. Not to mention, their microphones are only $6 on Amazon. Not to mention, the microphone's sound quality is actually great. The field programming is incredibly easy, as it comes in with its own number pad along with a menu button and channel selecting buttons. And if you can read or watch any of the videos I have in my channel, then you will know easily how to program and or use the menu options in the said radio. This radio has an alarm feature that I can have set to sight or set to transmit in case there is an actual emergency and I want someone to pick it up. All in all, I love this radio. Scans at a decent pace, and it makes it to where I pick up all the frequencies I need. Is it better than a $1,000 radio? Of course it's not. It's not meant to be for a person who's been in ham radio for the last 30 years and knows every single call sign out there in the world and knows CW and everything else like that. No, this radio is meant more for the common man, your average Joe. Somebody who enjoys hiking, off-roading, biking, anything else like that. This radio is meant for your average Joe like me and you.